today we're going to be drawing some cartoons, so let's get started. All you will need will be a pencil, a marker if you choose, or some crayons, and perhaps an eraser, and of course a piece of paper. I have already drawn some examples of eyes, noses, and mouths. And now we're just going to get started being creative. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a marker. You can use a pencil if you choose, so that if you think you're not quite satisfied with what you draw, you can erase it. But I'm comfortable. I'm just going to go with what I got. So first of all, I'm going to pick out some eyes. I'm thinking these eyes look really cool. So let's go ahead and draw a face that I think would go with those eyes. So I'm going to draw kind of an oval. And then I'm going to just start drawing those eyes. Notice that on all of the eyes, they leave just a little tiny reflection somewhere in the black part, so that they kind of look like real eyes. Okay, so with these eyes, which nose am I thinking goes with? I think this nose. So I'm just gonna draw a nose that is kind of similar to that. And then what kind of mouth? Those look kind of like, you know, grumpy. So I'm not gonna put any of these happy mouths. This one with his teeth barred might work. So let's see if I can make something like that. Notice when I make it over here, sometimes it doesn't end up looking exactly like that mouth, but you know what? If it's close, I am okay. I am not having to do it exactly right. How does that crazy mean guy look? Do you think you need some hair? Maybe I need some ears. My ears are just simple little C's, and then I think he does need some hair. How about if I do some hair like this? And maybe a little more over here. And there is a pretty grumpy guy. Oh, and I forgot, he probably needs an eyebrow. There you go. He looks pretty grumpy. I bet he just had to found out that he had to stay home for the quarantine. Maybe that's why he's grumpy. Okay, so let's draw another face. I'll just draw kind of an oval again. And this time I'll pick some different eyes. Maybe they'll be eyes that are looking up. So just draw some ovals for my eyes. I'll add in the eyeball. One thing I really like about making cartoons is that you can make them so expressive. Just a few lines can tell people exactly how your little character is feeling. And this guy, I think, needs some kind of crazy lips. How about this? He's not real sure how he feels. And let's give this character some different hair than you might expect. I think that looks pretty good. What do you think? Maybe some more strands of it. And there you have it, cartoons. Have fun creating.